Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify identity for Cash App account access step by step clearly. To verify your identity for Cash App account access, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. On the home screen, locate and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option that says Personal. Tap on Personal to access your account information. Next, you may be prompted to provide your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Now, input your date of birth in the format requested. Proceed to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number carefully. After entering this information, tap on the Next button to continue. If Cash App requires additional verification, you may be asked to upload a photo ID. Follow the prompts to take or upload a clear image of your identification. Ensure that all corners of the ID are visible in the photo. Once you've uploaded your ID, tap on Submit to send your verification request. Wait for Cash App to review your information. You will receive a notification or email once your identity has been verified. If additional information is needed, Cash App will guide you through the process. Once verified, you can enjoy full access to your Cash App account features. If you experience any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance. Always ensure that your app is updated to avoid any potential verification problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.